He keeps calling you. Why don't you answer it?
It's more work. I'm sorry, I should get this.
Yeah.
Grayson.
Connor, what the fuck, man? You can't be calling me before 6 o'clock. It's not cool.
Listen to me, Gray. I really need to meet you. You really need to come see me.
Do you have any money?
No.
Do you have any money?
No.
Connor, what the fuck, man? What happened to you getting a job? You owe me over $2,000, man. You need to get off the dope.
Look, if you want your money, you're gonna have to play ball, okay?
Nah, you know what? Fuck you, man. You can either get me some money, or you can go fucking die for all I care.
Fuck me? Huh. Fuck you, man. You fucking serious? You think I'm gonna give you your money when you say fuck me? Fuck you, buds. Fucking asshole.
Yeah, well, you do good, Greg.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man. You know, I almost tell people I trust you. That's a big deal.
Yeah, thanks, man. All I ever wanted was some encouragement from you.
Listen, you move good product, which is a good thing. You know, you're moving up in this world. This is what I want to see. Pretty soon I can see myself putting some guys underneath you, right? Help free up some of your time to spend with that good-looking girlfriend of yours.
Sign me up, Dave. Sounds really good, man.
Yeah, Gray.
There's just one thing.
Okay.
You see, word is on the street that one of your old boys is making you look like quite the fool. Got himself going up a pretty good tab.
That's personal, man. I've known these guys since we were kids.
Look, Gray. This clown?
He's making you look weak, like you're ripe to get robbed. And if you get robbed, I get robbed. And if I get robbed, I get really fucking mad.
It's just one customer. It's a person.
Why are you mixing personal things with business? Alright? You deal with this guy. You gotta take care of this, alright? What I need you to do is you gotta go over to his house. Right? You gotta walk right up into his face. And you put a hole in his fucking head. Alright? That's what's going on. This scum, he doesn't deserve fuck. Let alone an open casket. And stop making me look like a fuck. It's not good for business. And you were so close to that promotion. Alright? So, here's your dope. There's also a gun in here. So the next time I see you, you better bring me some good news. Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, Connor.
Come to your senses, eh?
So yeah, the usual?
No, just 40 for now.
Okay, I'll be there in 15 minutes.
What was that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Is that dopehead Connor on the phone? You shouldn't hang out with that loser, Gray. And when are you gonna stop working night shifts? I hardly see you anymore. You should stop working security. It's too dangerous.
Tell me about it.
Where do you think you're going? You don't work for another 2 hours.
I'll be right back.
Fuck, Gray. What is this? Is this some kind of a joke?
Look, relax, okay?
No, Gray, I know what you were doing.
You have no idea.
So what's in the briefcase, Gray? I just heard it open when you were in there.
Don't you touch or even think about touching that briefcase.
People are telling me you deal dope.
Just wait here.
You'll be lucky if I'm here when you get back.
Starts rushing to my head, sweat pours out all the poison. This is the night for me, or at least the one I've chosen. I can hide my sadder side behind this devil's face. On one hell of a ride, and I think I love this place. Ever since I put this mask on, things don't feel the same. I hear voices calling out my name. It screeches freedom to be no longer a slave. Keep calling me back to where I came from, back beyond the grave. But I'm still sober behind the mask. My soul's much older behind the mask. My touch is colder behind the mask. But I'll still keep it on until I collapse. Until I collapse. Gotta choke my free will with liquor and smoke. Gotta shake my head up. Gotta snort some coke. Can't stand reality. You know it's such a joke. I let this demon out of me, the one the mask invokes. And when I'm done, I see it all so clear. That's a world of power.
I almost tell people I trust them. It's a big deal. Anyway, I've got a promotion for you.
There's just one thing.